everyone, in this video I would like to present about analyzing novel with the title Surat Kecil untuk Tuhan. Before I start, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Yohana Vivitriani Sonia, NPM 157. I am from 4E class. Okay, the title of the novel, Surat Kecil untuk Tuhan. Personal data of the writer. Author name, Agnes Devanor. Publisher, Inandra Publish, Jakarta. Thickness, 232 page. Year of publication, 2008. Category, true story or non-fiction. The type of the novel. The struggle of a teenager in fighting his illness or cancer, but has a passion for a great life. And then plot. 1. Exposition. Keke is a beautiful and smart kid. She likes to play volleyball. She also has many friends and of course has a happy family, even though her father and mother have separated, but she is always happy with what she has. 2. Rising action. Brother Kiki, who is brother of Keke, suffered from eye pain. Indeed, at that time, eye pain was attacking many students at Keke's school. And at that moment, it turned out that Keke had contracted the eye disease, so that Keke's eyes had swollen. Initially, it was normal swelling, but over time, the swelling was getting bigger until the face of Keke also enlarged. And the doctor also sentenced that Keke had a very malignant soft tissue cancer. 3. Climax. Over time, the cancer began to weaken Keke, but Keke's father continued to try to cure Keke. After doing alternative medicine to and fro, Keke's condition never improved, until finally Keke met a great professor. Then Keke took chemotherapy treatment. This chemotherapy worked, although Keke had to feel cold and his hair falling. 4. Falling action. The cancer had disappeared, but the cancer came back and spread. But Keke's father kept trying. On the other hand, Keke kept trying to make people happy around her. She began to realize that her life would not be long. She is more diligent in learning because she wants to keep learning in the last seconds of her life. And the last, resolution. After trying so hard with no results, then Keke's father began to give up Keke if Keke had to leave him. When Keke was hospitalized, Keke was in a coma for some time and was awakened from her coma. But after that, she returned to sleep peaceful for good. The father and other families had given up Keke's departure. And when Keke closed her eyes, the entire hospital room where Keke was treated smelled of jasmine. And then the character. The character of the novel is Keke, Keke's father, Andi, Mr. Eus, Keke friends like Fada, Maya, Siva, Ida, Andini, and Aunt, Brother Kiki, Angel, Dr. Adikusuma, and Professor Muklis. And then the characterization. The characterization of the novel is the first, Keke. Keke is the main character who plays Ai. She is a teenager who is active, smart, and confident. She has her own desires and ideals, even though her life will not be long. And the second, Keke's father. Keke's father is a great father, wise and caring for his child. And then Andi. Andi is attention and mercy. And then Mr. Eus. Mr. Eus is loyal to the Keke family, good, gentle, and attention to Keke. And then Keke friends like Fada, Maya, Siva, Ida, and Didi is good, faithfully accompany Keke at the last moment Keke and loyal friend. And then Aunt. Aunt is a good housemaid and attention to Keke. And then Brother Kiki. Brother Kiki, he is a joke and quite ignorant to Keke. And then Angel. Angel is a person who has a nature, tacky, arrogant, and happy to mock his friend. And then Dr. Adikusuma is a doctor who first treated Keke when Keke was sick. And the last, Professor Muklis. Professor Muklis is a professor who is an expert in the field of cancer. Professor Muklis is very struggling in overcoming Keke cancer. And then setting. Setting consists of time. Time of the novel is morning, daytime, and night. And the place of the novel is Jakarta, Bandung, and Singapore. And then theme. The theme in the novel is the struggle of a teenager in fighting his illness or cancer, but has a passion for a great life. And then point of view. The point of view of the novel is like as the first person to tell about herself. And the last is moral value. The moral value of the novel is, in this novel contains a good moral value. That is, when Keke's friend mocked him, Keke remained silent and only smiled with ridicule. And when Keke fell ill, a friend who mocked Keke gave support to Keke to stay afloat. And that is a good moral value for teenagers. Okay, that is the analyzing novel Surat Kecil Untuk Tuhan, and thank you for your attention. Bye.